1 minute ಮೇಡಮ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ನೀವು ಮೋಟೋ ವ್ಲಾಗರ? ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಮೋಟೋ ವ್ಲಾಗರ? ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇನಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್ಸು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಬೈಕರ್ಸು, ಬೈಕ್ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ಲವ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಅಂತ. About your journey, it will be inspirational for other bike riders, girls who wanted to start this.
I'm actually heading somewhere. I need to be there. My friends waiting.
It will not take more than 10 minutes. I promise you, it will not take more than 10 minutes, madam, please.
Can you show something?
Yeah, definitely. This is our page.
Oh, nice.
These are the
you got good views and reach.
Yes.
Nice.
You will just 10 minutes.
How far is it? Like
500 meters, not more than that.
Okay, half kilometer. Let's do it.
Yeah.
But don't take much time. No,
Yeah, it will not. Definitely. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Hi ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು.
ಇವರು ಲೇಡಿ ಮೋಟೋ ವ್ಲಾಗರು. ಈ ಗಾಡಿಯ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ನನ್ನ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಕನಸು. ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್, ಬೈಕ್ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಡು ಹಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಫಾದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವರಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀ ಕಿ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ enrolled in that class and then after in 5 days I learned how to ride bike. I asked my father to let's get a bike, but he said no, lying in his feet ki please let me get a bike. And then he said okay, I'll get you, but you need to give me a test drive. The classic 350 to ride in my city. And then after when he is like okay, I have a confidence, then he get me this my dream bike.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಿರು prefer scooty. Why did you choose the Royal Enfield bike?
Family with my brothers and everyone, they are always allowed to go to different city with the same bike only. So it always encourage and inspire me. Now I'm having it, I'm feeling like I'm living a dream or something like that. If I made any mistake, Shamis Bidi. You can see this photo, no? This. So I met her.
ಜನಗಳ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಇಳಿದಾಗ?
Amazing experience I had is like I once went to a Penakonda. There I met one auntie and she was like so happy to see me riding. I have eaten and I charged my phone. Nice. And they didn't even take a single penny. I requested them to at least take something. They were like no, next time when you will come with your pack and everything. And they didn't even charge a single money from me. And
ಈಗ ಹೊಸೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿರೋರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
People are scaring you out ki don't ride or it's not safe. Just go for it. Once you try it, then only you will know. People are approaching, that's a good thing also, but also a bad thing because by face you can't judge it's a good or a bad while riding. And carry your things. I always carry my things like pepper spray I'm having if I'm traveling whether in a day or a night. Your safety is in your hand, so if you want to ride safely, that's it. If you have a kansu, ಹೆದರ್ಬೇಡಿ.